the organization of the PNP, no? And nasabi na sa kabila na pagkita ng PNP organization namin ay kasangkot dito, no? So ayaw na namin, being the city director, no? Pati mga tao ko dito, baka mag-gagamitin dahil ang CMC sir, na-recommend na na NBI na maghahawak ng kaso. So ngayon sir, ang ano ko ngayon kami ngayon dito, being the city director, no? Ayaw ko na sir magsalita about kung ano yung mga ano dito dahil baka may ano lang kami sir sa problema. But we are all open sa investigation. Lahat kami dito sir, matatawalin kami ng NBI, magbigay ng statement, open kami lahat sir. That's all sir.
Claro, remember that the Mayor, the Crisis Management Committee, upon the motion of Member Nuño, and with my standing, and elevated the investigation of matter to the NBI. So, hindi na namin sa religious sector, sa relatives, supporters ng Sheikh or Salon, na kung may nalalaman kayo, diretsuhin na sa NBI. Say, once and for all, ito, somebody saw them. Something like that. Otherwise, the police, even the NBI, will be facing a blank wall. Yes.
Mr. Chair, thank you very much. Buenos días a todos. Actually, I just want to appraise the body pertaining to the issue of Kabaro. Now, I just want to clarify the body that this is the most effective. I would like to introduce first myself. I am with the DIPO, Mr. Chair, the Intelligence Officer of the Directorate for Integrated Police Operations. And we just had a mandate or directive from higher ups to closely monitor the case. Kasi itong kaso na to, nakarating na po sa taas, tinawagan na po ng boss ko to closely monitor. Because as far as the stand of the PNP man yan, sundalo man yan or whatever they are, kung may justice dapat managot. Yun ang pa namin. But I just want to clarify on the issue of the Kabaro. Because itong Kabaro kasi, this is the most effective TTPs, yung tinatawag namin na TTPs, tactics, techniques, and procedure by lawless elements. Many circumstances or instances wherein these tactics have been effective in the kidnapping activities. The kidnapping of Onchua, they pretended to be armies. The kidnapping of in Sibugay of the Australian, they pretended to be NBIs. So in so many instances of kidnapping, the most effective TTPs of the donors or the KFR group is by the using our own uniform. Kaya siguro that we might be misled na baka pag sinabing Kabaro, pulis ba yun? Or sundalo na yun? Because this has been an effective method that they've been using as of now. Kaya nga in the higher level, although I don't want to go into the details of the investigation, in the higher level, in West Bengal, we are crafting now a policies on how to counter these TTPs of the enemies. Kasi ito yung nagiging effective method nila na ginagamit, especially in the case of kidnapping.
Well taken. But then again, this is where we say there was a very, very big lapse in the part of Second Authority. They fell prey to the TTPs of the enemy. Yan ang problema. Any other? Yes.
Yes, as I voted in favor of granting this inquiry, Mr. Chairman, and I did not come here with an anticipation or having in mind that we will have a limited jurisdiction on the matter. Since nandito naman na lahat, perhaps it's best, especially from the petitioners, we want to hear their grievance, their side on the issue, Mr. Chairman. And if there is any, and if they would like to add more to the issue, Mr. Chairman, perhaps it is one of the best signs that we hear from the petitioners, Mr. Chairman. So may we hear from the leaders of the petitioners on their appeal to the council.
The table is open to anyone from the aggrieved party to say his or her piece.